Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to create poll on Instagram application. So basically this feature is a feature that have been created by the Instagram to facilitate the user interact with their followers, as well as doing a mini survey or asking or creating a mini games, so that your Instagram will be very entertaining. So to do that, you just need to open your Instagram application and please take a look on this button feature. Make sure that you are stay in the home sections. Whenever you are in the home section, you can just go slightly click this plus button here. You can create a new picture or live picture by go click this camera to cap the moment, or if you already have the picture that you have, go open or choose the picture that you want to use as the best or the based content. And right after that, you just need to take a look on this top side. There will be like several icons here. Go click the second one and you just need to find poll. Go click it and just need to prepare the questions here. And then let's say here I would like to ask my follower what coffee that they like the most. So you just need to type here. And right after that, you just need to add the options. You can add up to 4 options for each poll. And whenever you're done, you just need to click done. And now you just need to like adjusting the size as well as the positions. You can pinch with two of your finger and drag it into the specific part that you want, and whenever you're ready to post, you just need to post it. And now you just need to wait. Whenever you got the response, it will be like this, and you can just control the result by sliding into the upside, and there will be the result over here about the response of your from your follower. So that is the way how to create poll on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching guys, and I will see you for the next tutorial.